All right, welcome back, everybody. It's time for Keeping Up with Kealy. This morning, we're talking about what we need to get rid of from our closets. And I don't want to get rid of anything. I want to keep it all, Kealy.
It's so hard, you know, but we've got to make room for those new items that we just brought into our closet.
Right. We talked all about the basics last time, so we got to have somewhere to put the basics.
Yes.
So where does one start with getting rid of things from the closet?
So this is going to be the hardest part. We've got to get rid of stuff that is too small for us. You know, this can be very discouraging for women especially because we see ourselves in sizes, but if it's too small, I know it can be motivation to get back into it, but let's just go ahead and buy something.
That's what I say. I go, listen, I wore this at one time, or I bought it and I never even wore it and it still has a tag on it. That's my motivation to get back into it. So you say get rid of it.
Get rid of it. I would just get rid of it, get a good size for you, and then if you happen to go down a size, you can just free buy something in the smaller size.
New. The other thing you say is to the things that you're just not wearing anymore.
Yes. So one of our viewers actually commented that they read an article that said when you put your clothes in the closet, put the hangers backwards. When you take it out and you put it back in, put your hangers the right way. So then you can tell what items you're wearing and not wearing. If you haven't worn something in 6 months to a year, it's probably time to trash it or donate it
but sometimes you may buy something for a special occasion that you really only intend to wear that one time, but another special occasion may come up.
Yes, but you can't lie. Any special occasion I have, I go buy a new outfit.
You're right. You're exactly right. I was just telling our executive producer the other day, I've got to go buy a new outfit for this thing I have to go to.
Every single time. I can't rewear the same outfit. It's
all right.
So
if you can't wear it, if you're not wearing it anymore, what's next? Do we need to get rid of?
So then I would say this is kind of, I know fashion replaces itself, but get rid of the non-trendy items. And this can kind of talk about name brand items.
Okay.
You know, we spend a little bit money for name brand things, so we don't want to get rid of it. But if it's not in style, you know, don't wear it just because it's name brand. Go to the same brand and buy something that's more in style.
Okay.
And then also I'd say every fashion season, there's going to be something that comes in just as fast as it comes in, it goes out. And there's no use for it anymore. Like the 2000s trend that just happened not too long ago. Now the trend is minimalistic.
You're exactly right.
I had several pairs of sunglasses for the 2000s trend, and I never wore them. And so I finally was like, okay, Kealy, get rid of these. You're not wearing them.
Which kind of brings you to your next point, which was a lot of accessories that you have that you're not using anymore.
Yes, accessories. And too, with purses, same thing. Name brand purses. We keep it. We spent money. Get rid of it. You're not wearing it. Get something that's more fitting your lifestyle at the moment. If you like a big bag and you need it, get a bigger bag. If you need a smaller bag, then get it. But if you're not using it, I would say throw it out.
So when you're starting to get rid of these things, what are the best ways? I mean, because if I've got something that I've only worn one time and it's really gently used, do I take it to consignment? Do I try to sell it? Do I give it away? What do you do?
Well, I would say I always do not feel like posting my stuff to social media to try and sell it because I'm lazy. But I would say probably post it on social media and sell it on like Facebook or something because you can get good money for the items you haven't worn. So, or
one man's trash is another's treasure.
Exactly.
All right. So you talked about overly priced ripped jeans, wholly stained pieces, and piercing. What is that? Oh, things that are not age appropriate. Yeah. Okay.
So, I know that holey jeans are very popular, but if you have a pair of jeans with holes in it, you kind of come to the point where your toes kind of get stuck in the holes and makes the holes even bigger. And after so long, you can tell that those holes are not supposed to be that way. So I would
you didn't buy those holes, right?
So I would say get rid of those, and then get rid of stuff that in general have holes in it. You don't want to be wearing a shirt that has a hole in it just because you love it, and someone's like, "Hey, Andrea, you have a hole in your shirt." I know.
It's supposed to be there.
I can't get rid of it.
Well, I love your last tip, and you say things that are not age appropriate.
Yes.
So how does this sort of hurt your wardrobe and your style?
So, let's say, for instance, you are not going to wear the same thing to go out with your girlfriends as I would wear. And so you shouldn't hold on to something that maybe not be age appropriate for you. And I shouldn't hold on to something that's not age appropriate for myself either.
So you're not wearing what you were wearing when you were 15 years old.
Yes, exactly. And, I'm picking items that, are more going to accentuate my body a little bit better, but still be respectful to how I want to present myself into the world.
A sweet lady I know always says, just because they make it doesn't mean it's made for you.
For everybody.
So you just have to, understand your body and what looks good on you. All right, so we're cleaning out closets.
Cleaning out our
It's
closet.
almost spring.
It's
so
spring fever. Get rid. And
Okay.
look, summer clothes are coming back in. You can buy all new stuff.
all right, we'll do that. Thanks a lot, Kealy. We'll see you next
Thank
time.
you.
Clean
See
out
ya.
your closets, everybody.